As you can see, we are doing lesson 4, module 4. We are identifying, defining, and now drawing parallel lines. Parallel lines are different than perpendicular lines. They are lines that run continuously and never ever touch. So what we're going to do is we're going to move straight to drawing parallel lines. Let's go ahead and look and see how this works. In order to draw parallel lines, you need to draw a straight, probably using a ruler of sorts, line, labeling 2 points. So this is line segment AB. It's a straight line. In order to draw your next parallel line, what I do is I take my ruler and I set it perfect with my other line, and I draw straight up, tracing this line up. I did this with line segment DC, and they are the same length. They are parallel because they will go on forever, never ever intersecting. They will never cross paths. This next one is a little bit different. Let's see if you can figure out why. So here's line segment FE, and then you can take your ruler, as I said, position it next to it, and draw another line, segment straight up. If you did not want to do it that way, you could take and cross it over if you wanted it further apart, make a straight line right here, and then you could use your ruler to draw a straight line. Either way. But look at how this is different. What's the difference between GH line segment and FE line segment? Yeah, one is shorter than the other. It doesn't matter. They will still go on continuously forever, never crossing, which makes them parallel. Now let's look at line segment IJ. It could be parallel with something if I drew another straight line right here. Let's see if that's the line I drew. KL. Oh. Are those two lines parallel? Yeah, because they will eventually intersect. If this line kept going and this line kept going, they would cross each other, which makes them not parallel. And they're not perpendicular either because there's not a right angle when they cross. So they are not parallel. Let's look at the letter W. Can you find any parallel lines in it? Two lines that go the same direction but never cross. I see some. If you look at these two, they intersect, right? So they're not it. However, if I look at this one right here and this one right here, they're going the same direction and they will never intersect. If I look at this one here and this one here, they're going the same direction and will never cross. So those are the parallel lines. All right, let's go ahead and move on and look at how we can actually draw parallel lines. Here is one line, or line segment that I've already created. If I wanted to draw line AB, I would bring in my right angle template and line it up perfectly here against this base line. And I'm going to draw a straight line connecting points A and B. And now that is a straight line. If I take it away, look at that beautiful line. Now, if I want to do a parallel line to AB, I'm going to come straight down the page and line up my ruler and draw a straight line out. And that I will label point C and point D. If I draw that straight line, those two are parallel. See how I used my ruler? Draw a straight line out, which makes them parallel. These are both right angles, so they are perfectly straight. So how I would write that is I would write line segment AB and line segment CD are parallel. These two lines, whether or not you can see them on the video,